Hello and welcome. Thanks very much for tuning in to NDTV. I'm Padmaja Joshi and the year 2025 is drawing to a close. How fast time has sped by. And when you want to look back, it's always a good idea to be doing it over some good food and drink. During the Bihar elections, we got awesome love over our chai stop. So we are back this time, but it's not Litti Chokha, is it this time, Shiv?
I really am missing Litti Chokha because, confession, I have called all of these things mediocre on my social media in the past. So, I don't know what I'm going to be focusing on, but Vasu, what all can you see there?
You know, there's kachori.
Guys, come in closer so you can see what we've got here.
Samosa, which is my favorite, but I'm not going to eat it today. There's chai, garma
What's the point then? No.
And there's jalebi.
This is a statistical anomaly that there is
cookies.
but nobody is going to eat it.
Well, I just want to
Like
say, I
so
hope the
many
next
things I know.
elections I'm also sent out on the field and I can also get a chance to, be a part of all these chai
You will,
chai instead
Gargi,
of having it
because
right here in office.
given how we've got a whole bunch of, Assam, West Bengal,
Exactly.
we will need to put all the boots on
Uttarakhand
ground.
elections still some time
But
away.
Padmaja,
Raghi.
we should have idli sambar also because Tamil
Of
Nadu
course,
elections
Tamil
are
think
Nadu.
you're going to
we will
be
switch.
there.
You'll go to Bengal. We will go to Tamil Nadu. We'll do like a Uttarakhand Tamil
No, so I
Sangam.
want to tell you guys that we were able to all collect together very, very quickly because a bunch of us are off on our New Year breaks, and then immediately after coming back, it's election season.
He's off.
Exactly.
no?
Absolutely.
Yes.
Okay, I'm off, confession, but some of you guys are also. But yeah,
And we're talking about how this year sped by. It started with Pahalgam, then Operation Sindoor happened, then you just kept jumping from one thing to the other.
Yeah.
You went straight into election season, you had vote chori, SIR. It's like we just never stopped coming to
Non-stop.
office.
And in
Yes,
the midst of this was the seesaw of Donald Trump.
Of course.
As they say, left side of the bed,
affairs,
he
yes.
got up, he had a different view, right side, he had
the
a
best
different
part
view.
is everyone here has a different highlight for the year. That's what this rainbow
But
actually
after all of
represents.
this time, even if Mr. Trump hasn't agreed, have we agreed whether Operation Sindoor was a surrender or not? Is it a surrender or not?
it
What's
was
going on?
it was a decisive win in any which way you look at it. You look at what the objectives of Op Sindoor were. I'm not going to give a sermon. Don't look at me like that.
Vishnu,
He's going to get out his satellite images any moment now.
let me say that Vishnu's answer cannot be any clearer than that because it was his satellite images that have been used to
Yes.
disprove.
No, I mean, just in two sentences, if you look at what the objectives of Op Sindoor were to hit terror camps, did we do that? Yes, we did. When the escalation matrix went up, were we able to strike Pakistan bases? We did. End result, we won.
And I think
Have they
Operation
managed to
Sindoor
fix
is...
that damn Noor Khan airbase even now?
I think
They're
Vishnu
still
has-
building buildings, they're rebuilding the things that we hit. I found a building with a red tarp on top of it last
I
week.
hear the Pakistan Air Force has invited Vishnu to come there and file his next report, saying, "Bhai, please stop these satellite images. Come here and do your next
No, they
report."
counter it with fake satellite images of their own, and then they
But
get
if we
debunked
talk
on
about
that.
Operation Sindoor, I think for NDTV that was quite a highlight because I know that the way we covered it has
Yeah.
been quite talked
Yeah.
about.
Yeah.
I
Yes.
think a lot of the other media, the way they covered it
Absolutely.
was really embarrassing and shameful, and I think that is something that is really registered with a lot of people because when we talk about this fog of war, etc., everybody really turned and tuned into
But
NDTV
Gargi,
for that
I think,
coverage.
And
guys,
it
the
was-
fact that Shiv was out
Yeah.
there,
Yes.
and
I
he was,
think
he
the
was
fact
looking-
of your
he was looking-
partnership, I think, really
he was
emerged
looking
during
to,
that time.
He was looking to. We've been friends for a long time, and I said
I
it was
didn't
his
mean
idea.
that.
By
I
the way,
meant that this-
our podcast was
your,
entirely his idea. But be that as it may, the fact that we had him out there and he was looking to go, and the question is. Is it really going to happen? Are we really going to hit? When am I going to go? He went at the right time.
Yeah.
It
No, in
a
fact, he
couple
was
of
there
days-
for a long time, weren't
and
you,
he
Shiv?
would have been-
Relentless
he would have been
ground
wondering at
reports.
that stage,
Yeah.
have I really come too early? But then he was in the right place at the right time,
Yeah.
right on the LC.
Yeah,
And I was
Vishnu,
on the
you in studio, yeah.
I can't
Yes.
believe it's been
That-
7 months since
Yeah.
that
Yeah.
time. And
Absolutely.
Padmaja, like you said, haven't had time to breathe. But while we're breathing
Yes.
this wonderful Delhi AQI,
Which is better today.
By the
Is
way,
it?
Slightly.
there was a
Slightly.
Christmas miracle, as someone said yesterday, where the AQI suddenly dropped.
Yes.
It was clean air for a while, Gargi.
Yes.
And today it's back apparently
Yeah.
to
But
500.
I think our
Don't
standard
try
of
to
clean
that.
air, our standard of
Everyone.
clean air is also
looks
very
much
low.
better.
I'm
It doesn't
sad
look like
to
500.
say, like our standard of clean air is 100. Like wow, it's clean
We
air.
had
That's
an
not
NDTV
acceptable
party in
internationally.
2.5, 520 2 weeks back.
Since this
Yeah,
show
we
is
did,
called Chai
yes.
Stop, everyone has
Has to have chai.
Yeah.
I don't really drink chai, but I'm gonna have chai anyway.
Yeah, I mean, and
Listen,
we need
Come
to
on.
toast
Yes.
a better AQI. This is a Christmas miracle. So we are all agreed that Operation Sindoor outside of politics was a clear win.
Absolutely.
Of course.
But why did we call for a ceasefire then?
But Padmaja, the political fallout was something that was challenging for the government to deal with because there was a burden of expectations, right? Because we are a nation of people who who want action to be taken. And while the ceasefire was a right decision, the political fallout was a challenge for the government to deal with. And I think they did it well. And I think, but they did take that kind of time to set that narrative.
Can we say that the elections that followed was sort of a validation, right?
Absolutely.
Because
No,
that,
but if you didn't stop fighting, what did you do? Have a nuclear exchange with them?
no, and what do you do?
No,
Should
there
you
was-
be like
there's no
Russia and
limit to
Ukraine
this.
and keep fighting interminably
There
for
is-
like 3 years?
The larger
we have a
public
country
was
to
disappointed.
grow.
It was shocking.
We have
to
an
see.
economy
Guys,
to
you gotta
grow. We
face
have
the camera.
1.4 billion people to look after. You have identified an
Absolutely.
operation. It was forced on you. You have attained your objectives and you end it.
No,
Yes.
but
I
many,
think that fog of war with us having gone to Islamabad or taken over
Let us-
Karachi led to some expectations among the public, which
That
as soon
was
as it
just
got called off,
misinformation across the
exactly.
media,
But
which is
as
rubbish.
the ceasefire was called off, there was almost like disappointment. So yes, I think in
thank you
that
so much.
respect, the
and
media
who
played a role
defines
there.
that expectation, Gargi, right?
Sure,
I mean, a lot
sure.
of it was not attributed to any one person. It was all social media driven. I mean, no offense, but somebody to say that why did
Thanks
you
are in Lahore.
why did you no? But why did you stop before you captured POK?
Yeah, no, I
I
mean,
mean,
just-
one could
Yes.
argue why stop at POK? Why can't you capture
Yeah,
Afghanistan
A war
tomorrow?
is not a T20 match.
Exactly.
You know, there are wins
but
and there are
video games
losses.
were used by
People
some
lose their
channels.
lives.
Video
It's bloody
games
I
footage
tell
serious.
you
used by some
something.
channels
When
as
that
well.
ceasefire was announced, Vishnu and I were in the studio that time.
Yeah.
When that ceasefire was announced, and it was a Donald Trump tweet that came out. It took us, and that's how it sort of
Yes.
started. And both of us were like, we need to sort of weigh in here because it is Donald Trump putting out, and also taking on from what all we are saying that. As a network, we were extremely responsible about how we sort of put this information out, and also at the same time ensure that it doesn't lead to the kind of disinformation campaign that one saw all along during it.
And all of this gets
And
amplified
ceasefire
because the
time.
moment politics steps in,
Yeah.
then there is no room for reason. Then it's going to be like, Mr. Modi, you have not captured POK, hence this is a loss for us.
That's
But
right.
I think this is a given now. The politics over national security, there's no wishing it away.
Or there have been losses, we won, we've lost. It's
Yeah,
over.
yeah, it's over.
When you fight a war, and this was an 88-hour war, let's not, I mean, we've never hit Pakistan that deep since 1971, right? So there will be losses.
Yeah.
But-
Our
but-
military
But
planners
Vishnu, I
knew
think-
that there'd be losses.
But Vishnu, I also think a lot of these issues are connected because the way we are looking at SIR now
Yeah.
is also the way we are looking at
Nice
our
segue, by the way.
population check. It's not just census now. The SIR is giving you the right population check, and it shows that India's finally at least putting out a political narrative that it is very serious about its borders. So that also in some ways aligns with our Operation Sindhu
No, and
messaging.
vote chori, and I want to get some of you guys went out into the country. Vote chori was by far the biggest sort of political flex that everyone was hearing. It didn't ultimately it didn't really have the
Yeah.
impact that it needed to. But Padmaja, you were right there in the middle of it. So were you, Vasudha. Why didn't it click? It was definitely a highlight.
And everyone was talking about
Yeah.
it.
I will just give you one example. And here was a man who said, देखिए हमारा अगर वोट चोरी हुआ है तो फिर मेरे और मेरे बेटे का मेरी बीवी का नाम उस
Yes.
लिस्ट में कैसे इट्स एज सिंपल एज दैट एंड इफ माय नेम इज नॉट देयर देन देयर इज प्रेशियस लिटिल आई कैन डू अबाउट इट
Yeah.
बिकॉज आई एम नॉट अ वोटर
Yeah.
सो एज अ वोटर वोट चोरी डज नॉट रेजोनेट बिकॉज अगर आपका वोट सो कॉल्ड चोरी हो गया है देन यू कैनॉट एक्सप्रेस योर एंगर बाय चेंजिंग द इलेक्शन आउटकम एंड इफ माई वोट हैज इंडीड बीन स्टोलन देन व्हाई एम आई एज अ मुस्लिम मैन seeing the names of my entire family. I'm not a
Yeah.
BJP voter.
Right.
See, vote chori essentially was saying that non-BJP voters are being struck off the
Right.
list. But you had crores and crores, lakhs of people who were clearly not BJP voters who saw their names and hence it fizzled out.
There's
Padma-
another flip side to it also, which is that let's say for places where their elections are yet to happen.
Right.
So if you speak to people around you, the one thing, what is it that people in your house hold most dear to? The chance to vote once in 5 years.
Right.
And any narrative that sort of takes that or robs that right away is not going to find any resonance.
Yeah.
That's right. But see, all of us know that it
Padmaja's
doesn't.
picked up some food. FYI, guys,
Yeah, I'm
if you
gonna
want to
pick up
dig
some
in.
samosa.
Very healthy, guys.
Huh.
Have some.
Yeah.
See,
And
I-
while you're talking.
Well, I think that politically there's no resonance for
Low
vote
carb
chori.
jalebi.
But what I
Baked
think.
jalebi, baked jalebi.
Vishnu, you said it, so I'll have it. Chalo.
Arey, why didn't you have it when I asked you to? What is this?
Old NDTV versus new NDTV. This is.
What is going on, man?
Guys, everyone is
Vishnu,
talking
you
about
said it.
old NDTV versus new NDTV. You've just seen it in action from
We
Gandhi.
should have a name for it. What was
there
it?
are, wheels
JSAMs.
within, there are wheels within wheels.
Let Vasudha make
And
the
Vasudha's
point.
middle NDTV, by the way.
Yeah, middle NDTV.
Yeah.
Yes.
We communicate through codes.
Gauri also.
Gargi, would you like a
Yes,
tissue?
middle NDTV.
This is the bit that's going to go viral, guys. Anyway,
I was saying that, why is the Congress still hell-bent on raising this issue? It's because finally the Congress party is looking at the issue of BLAs very seriously. It's finally asked its block level agents to go and find out कि कितने voters के पास क्या है. So organizationally, this is a narrative that's working for them to build their organization. We can hear about this till 2029. They're not going to let go of
They
this.
have sent out their BLAs, the Congress.
They have
what I was
decided
talking
they're
about.
looking at
Thank
their
God,
list.
because
In Uttar
Do they
Pradesh-
have enough
in Uttar
BLAs is the
Pradesh,
other question for the
SP
Congress, especially now with
and several
UP
other
and other.
parties have become very active. They're learning lessons from
SP
Congress.
definitely.
SP in
So
UP
Congress
has become
workers are
very
telling me
active.
this is one way our organization is finally getting rebuilt.
No, but by the way, there was a survey where only 28% of the booths in Uttar Pradesh had got BLAs from the Congress.
Exactly,
As opposed
so
to
I'm
the
also
BSP,
wondering about
which had
this.
about 80.
Samajwadi
BSP
Party.
had
Samajwadi Party.
Samajwadi Party. You know, very interesting anecdote, which actually the former CEC, Mr. Gopalaswamy, said on our show. He said that, even before SIR was announced in Tamil Nadu, DMK
Yes.
cadre came to my house. He said that 2 months before, so while on the face of it they are saying, oh, vote chori, vote chori,
Yeah,
DMK
was
sent
on
out its cadre.
I am really
TMC
So
sent
I
out
have
its
some
cadre.
ground connect in parts of UP. So I'll tell you this. I spoke to some of my extended family in hinterland and they said भाई SIR का क्या है, BLO का क्या हिसाब है. तो कहा उनको उन्होंने वो सब आ गए हैं और उन्होंने हमको बता दिया है, हम आएंगे, तुम चिंता नहीं करो, तुम्हारा ख्याल रख लेंगे. So that has already happened.
Half kidding when I say this, but I think our political election reporters next year are going to need bulletproof jackets when they go to, especially Bengal and Tamil Nadu. I think it's going to. But someone in a report, Vasudha, you can correct me if I'm wrong, said the kind of aggression we've seen this year in our politics and elections, next year has something like 4x the number of elections.
Yes, absolutely.
Yes.
And all bigger places, by-elections, state elections, the big 2 states that I've just mentioned. It's going to be crazy.
Absolutely. And
All
Shiv,
of
I
it is
think
gonna be
welfare is
back to
With
going
what's
to be,
happening in Bangladesh also.
welfare is going to be a big thing because TMC and DMK both have been, like champions of welfare. So what is the BJP going to offer extra to these states? So that's going to be very interesting. And also freebies. I mean, I wouldn't call them freebies. That debate on welfare will also get probably settled or at least reach a certain point next year is my
No,
sense.
but can I just say, I think in terms
Can I
of
offer
the
you a
larger,
kachori before
half
you
a
offer your
second.
point?
On the half a second. On the larger issue
I've had the
of
jalebi.
our
Everyone is
opposition
skittish about kachori,
and its,
come on.
on the larger issue of our opposition and its viability. If vote chori or protecting the constitution is not something that resonates up to 2029, then I think as a country we are in trouble. We have to have a viable opposition.
Absolutely.
And
But
therefore
you
the
think it
question of
doesn't resonate because I feel again this is all very
it's not
anecdotal.
resonated. It's not resonated to anywhere close to what Rahul Gandhi, for example,
And
would
is
have
that
wanted
because
it.
they don't stay
to the
the
point
course?
that Vasudha mentions that this is going
Yes.
to be a primary issue going forward till 2029.
No, but she has a point. Is it about stamina and staying with an issue as well? They've
the
indicated
Congress,
that they
yeah.
want to in
They want to,
2026
but
as well.
And also
like
the
what we saw in
guarantees, no?
Bihar, like then they just disappeared for a while and
बॉस पार्लियामेंट का डिबेट चल रहा है उसके बाद आप एकदम अगर बीच में चले जाओगे तो then what kind of stamina are you really sort of putting
and their own
forth?
like Samajwadi Party wasn't happy. I
Yeah.
mean,
Yeah.
you
In the
know,
middle of the
No,
debate
there's no
wasn't
defense
happy.
for it. Let's be clear, guys. I mean, hooking off in the middle of a parliament at a time when it is your party's issue that has become a burning issue, which is the Manrega. It's indefensible. I mean, we all have friends in the Congress party who've been like throwing up their hands.
But to play the devil's advocate, at least compared to earlier, look, now what are you comparing the present Congress to what they were doing over the last 2-3 years? You've always see them moving from one topic to the other, whether it was Chaukidar Chor hai, then it was,
Rafale.
Soot Boot ki sarkar. But at least, now we might argue that vote chori is not resonating. But,
But they
give the
stayed
devil
with
his
it, yeah.
due, at least he's staying. Congress is basically like, damned if you do, damned if you... At
No,
least
but
they
that's
stayed the
just
course
my
on that,
point.
right?
I mean,
Samosa.
all of the themes
Yes,
that you
samosa I
mentioned,
have.
Soot Boot ki Sarkar, Chaukidar Chor hai, they have been utter flops. Now, in terms of a viable opposition in this country, one that challenges the BJP, which is essential for our viable democracy, we need to see the opposition, particularly the Congress, have a theme.
But they
The
have a
larger
theme now,
question,
vote chori is the
do
theme.
you believe that this is going to last as a theme which works in 2029 as well? So far, it's not. That's my point.
Their
you
argument
don't
can
feel
be
it, that some
you-
doubt is there in the public. I feel again
Look at the election
anecdotally a lot
results
of
We're
in
going to wait
Bihar,
for the
it's not
final
working.
SIR
Pe-
list to
people
come out
say
and
that
then
it
rework
doesn't
their
matter.
Bihar is
BJP
not
is going to win, and somewhere the EVM, somewhere the vote chori, somewhere all of it has somewhere created, which is not very good for us as a
really came
democracy,
out
for us
at
as
the
a
fore
country.
in Parliament. The Congress, the opposition got a chance to debate on this. Of course, it was electoral reforms and all of it, but the tone, the tenor of the speech, it was accusation, indictment, and punishment. That doesn't leave any scope for either a national discourse or for you to connect with your voter that, you know, this is my issue and you should feel for it as well.
Gauri,
You
the
know,
parliament
that is
debate,
where-
I think Congress did well when it came to the Vande Mataram debate, and when it came to
Yes.
vote chori, I think BJP speakers.
You know, I think one crucial thing that is missing in such planks is that it lacks emotion. It's a very technical thing. And you know, a lot
That's
of our
true.
politics, our elections are eventually about emotion. So rather than this, for example, now this latest narrative, and it's a funny thing that, you know, we are bang in the middle of a period when I was reading a headline today in the Telegraph, it said Christmas has been shut down in India, if you please. It has been shut down. It's another matter that we have a Christmas tree right here in our office.
India is Bangladesh.
Yeah. But we are being told by reporters sitting in New York that Christmas has been shut down because 4 loonies turned up at a school that was shut, by the way, and they tore down 3 Christmas decorations and 4 Christmas wreaths. So Christmas has been this actually could have far greater resonance in terms of an emotional
Yeah,
theme
yeah.
and unite. And see, this is also why is
No,
this
are
suddenly
you
being-
suggesting for the Congress?
for everyone? Why do you
Well,
think this
they-
is being drummed up? See, now
Because
there
that
is a
can get twisted very easily, which we've seen. Like the BJP can then just
no,
go
but
back
see,
and
like
attack
you've
the
got
Congress.
elections in Kerala coming up. There's a sizable Christian community
And
there.
Tamil Nadu.
And
Tamil
Tamil Nadu.
Nadu.
So when you suddenly have Christians are under, you know, whole-scale attack in a, you know, right-wing majoritarian India, this has emotional resonance.
But there were too many incidents, I think, this time. I felt it was more, I mean, from Assam to Raipur to various
But what
places.
do we categorize as incidents?
There
No,
were
I mean-
incidents. There was no wholesale attack, agreed, yes, but it
Okay,
just does
but
not
you know, look at the
reflect
other
well.
side.
It's terrible. So one
Local
thing,
administration has to be to
Yeah,
step
so
in into
absolutely,
such
it's terrible.
situations, and we didn't
Absolutely.
see
it cannot
any
be
of that.
condoned. Were
Yes.
people arrested? They were. Were people acted against? Yes, they were. Was there actual physical injury? Thankfully not.
No,
Was there
yes.
loss of life? There wasn't. So for anyone who's sitting there and saying, you know, ahead of elections that, you know, India has turned into Bangladesh, I
No,
mean,
surely not.
एक दूसरा
But
point है
what
इसका.
is one worry is about what we've seen happening in the US right now. This very, this sort of the MAGA anti-Indian sort of sentiment,
Yeah.
and this kind of plays into that. And I've already seen a couple of very popular handles already raising this and showing these sort of incidents. So I think,
See, the other
we
debate
need to-
was like that, right?
Those,
Yeah.
those handles
I'm
would
just
always be like,
saying
oh,
it's-
dirty Indians.
But
They are,
guys-
you
No,
know.
no, but here you've given them, something to immediately fodder that they can play
Please
up.
think of this from the perspective of a New York Times front page editor. Santa statues being vandalized in India is a New York Times front page editor's wet dream.
Yeah, but haven't you had Mahatma Gandhi's statue being vandalized in several places across
Exactly.
the globe?
So I'm just saying,
say
it's much
Gandhism
more
is under
palatable
whole
to a
scale
Western
attack.
audience.
Because I just feel, sometimes,
palatable.
because we don't come from the minority community, I just feel that, the terrifying thing that happens to them is probably something that we'll not be able to understand from their point of view. I was watching this Shamsuddin family, and, there are multiple parts in that whole
Anusha
show.
Rizvi's
Yeah,
movie, yeah.
where, the
Ex-NDTV
family gets,
persons.
completely terrified of what's happening. And probably that is something, yes, there's more nuance to it. There are two sides to it. But yes, this is something.
So
we'll
I am
probably-
not at all referring to the crime. The crime nobody can and should condone. It is the surround sound
Absolutely, yeah.
that
but
needs to be
you know, if
questioned.
And
you
how it's
flip
being
this-
projected
no,
as
if
a
you flip
bigger
this,
thing.
India's Christian population. I'm sort of being the devil's advocate. India's Christian population is
You
about
don't be the devil's
2%.
advocate. You can say it freely.
Yeah, no, we are saying it freely. 2%.
She was the only devil here.
Yeah. 2% population is Christian.
Samosa devil.
Look at the mainstream. No, I'll take
Here.
it. Yeah, but
done, man.
look at the mainstreaming
Why are
of
you
our
making that
Christian
face?
celebration. Which household doesn't have a tree? Which household doesn't, wish each other? You have, people
Yeah.
of every community wishing each other on Christmas
And so-
in a country where Christians are less than 2%. Now I can contrast that with Bangladesh.
But
I mean, I'm just saying,
but I'm
for people who want to put that as a perspective.
know, but it's
and you
just
take
that-
Look
UK.
at social media,
and you take
calling
Yeah.
people
UK.
rice Christians, or saying things
Yeah,
like
I have
Christo,
friends who
sometimes it can
constantly
be
call
very,
rice Christians.
Yesterday, people in
dehumanizing
UK
is what
couldn't
I feel.
celebrate Christmas. And Starmer is being called Gestapo Starmer, by the way, because whoever goes and files a complaint, they end up arresting them. So that is what is really the reality as far as Christians
No,
is
but look,
concerned, and the attack.
I firmly believe, and as a social media denizen, let me say that social media is a very small fractional reflection of what happens in the real world. Okay, and there are always going to be very well-funded efforts globally and within India to paint India as an intolerant country, which it is not. Okay. Yesterday was an incredible example. I did a show yesterday on Christmas about the incidents that Padmaja was talking about, where the message that we sent out on NDTV was very clear that any incident looked at by itself, needs to be acted against without fear or favor.
Absolutely,
And a message has to go out that this thing,
Absolutely.
such things
And boss,
can't
these
happen.
are all BJP ruled states
Yeah.
where even if they were members of Vishwa Hindu Parishad, they have been picked up and put in jail.
Correct.
So if you're saying that a free run is being given, I mean, I'm sorry. Should it have happened? No, it shouldn't have. Can you have preemptive police posted outside every school and church? I think reasonably we all can agree that is not possible.
I think it may be a controversial thing to say, but a lot of people's engines continue to run because it favors them to paint India as an intolerant society. If you paint India as a realistic society which is trying to, move past some of these earlier divisions, it doesn't pay the bills.
But
Yeah.
Vishnu,
No, but
these
some
are
of these
the-
organizations like the Bajrang Dal and VHP, they do this is just again to make their engines
And they
run
must
and
be
get
acted
little
against
and by the
absolutely to the full extent of the
yes,
law.
and
But
we need
I
to
do
also
believe that
highlight
political
that.
And they will have
parties-
Hindus in the country who will call them out and say, I'm sorry,
Yeah,
this is not
absolutely.
okay.
Yeah.
You don't speak for me. You don't speak for most of us.
Absolutely.
But
and
political
that's-
parties of all kinds should be sensitized. You can't have corporators and leaders at different levels of the ruling and opposition party going out to parks and checking
100%,
out.
yeah.
And this othering debate,
Absolutely,
gets
yes.
escalated in that way. So I think parties need to be more sensitive on
Yeah,
those.
one
stuff.
have
area
leaders,
this
more
year
leaders speak
where
out
you had
on
those
this.
global headlines was the AI 171 crash. I think that is when you saw, and Vishnu knows this better than
still
anybody
waiting, by
else.
the way.
Yes.
Yeah,
Is
that's
this so
where one saw.
unfortunate that it's
Yes.
taking so long? Now, technically, per the law, it's not. You have about a year to do it, so there's still some time. But there is so much that's taking place now, with so much speculation. But this is going to be a test case for India. Our ability to conduct a transparent investigation, come out with the truth. Was this an out-and-out murder, a mass murder?
made us look
was
really
it a
bad.
technical issue?
And every
or was
Reuters
it
headline
many?
that said,
Was it many issues? It's all out there, and we as a country cannot hope for. We cannot. Thank you. We cannot hope to right size or hope that what the report says, is something that we can ensure it works for us and is yet the truth. Is comfortable for us to handle. Whatever it is, it has to be there.
Yes.
But why,
And I think
why,
those
why do you think
global
it has
headlines
taken
that
so
came
long?
out.
Why has it dragged out? Because
This
again,
is
in
not
terms
about-
of
this is
perception,
not
I
about-
think this was really
Pilots versus
I don't wanna say it.
the plane or
Say it,
whatever
Say
it
it,
is.
Shiv, please.
I think very powerful people, Vishnu and I disagree about this, but I think very powerful entities don't like what's in there. Okay? And it is being managed. Vishnu and I, we don't know what's going to ultimately happen. And I have a feeling Vishnu may be right in the end, but I still disagree with him.
No, I don't know what's right in the end. I'm just
While
saying-
we're on the topic of aviation, by the way, I want, since we're not free on time, what about Indigo, guys?
the biggest meltdown in international civil aviation.
The report was to be
And
submitted
we've
today.
moved
We
past
don't
it.
know
By
if
the way,
that's
can I just say we've moved past it?
No,
We're
no,
all
but the
okay
fact
now.
of the
Yeah,
matter is that
I've taken
both
two Indigo
AI
flights after that.
171 and Indigo were premised on the same concern, safety.
Yeah.
Over here, you couldn't run airlines, flights. Why? Because you didn't have enough pilots. The government was trying to push through flight duty time limitation norms, that is to ensure that passengers are safe. And AI
But they'd
171
had
is a
enough
profound
time
safety issue.
Yes.
to ready their roster.
One was
They
a
want them.
commercial issue and one was an out and out.
Yeah.
It was a crash, right? It is a wake up call for Indian aviation. Any which way, safety has to be paramount. This is growing at a speed which is ballistic. It's going to be the largest market potentially in the world in the decades to come. Even now, it's among the largest. If we don't get our safety fixed, then all of us are going to
No,
suffer.
but wake
And
up
the
and
fact
do
that
what?
Indigo
Wake
had
up and
such
do
a
what?
big
Because we have
market
no
share.
choice, right? We have no choice.
And
The
the
thing
fact,
is,
yeah, you
that
have no
Indigo
choice.
got
Like,
away
she had to take
with
two
all
Indigo
of this
flights because you don't have a
what
choice.
is the
There is no
option
other
we have?
airline.
We have Air India, which is Air India Vistara, and we have Indigo.
SpiceJet.
Too big to fail.
That's it.
Yeah, I mean, some other
Exactly.
smaller
That's about it.
airlines.
But this should have been thought about earlier, like
No,
at
but
least
there
a
are
year
two
or so.
regulators here. No, everybody's talking about DGCA. What about the Competition Commission? The fact that it has 65% is something that Competition
Yeah,
Commission
they
should have
have
more
checked,
focused
yeah.
on.
Can I just
What is it
disagree?
that they were
Sorry,
doing?
with Shiv at one point. He says there may be an international sort of agenda, quote unquote. He didn't use that word, on AI 171. I disagree on that point. I don't think there's any agenda. The only agenda has to be the truth, and we don't know the truth.
And by when do we have to get the
I have
report?
no problem with any of the articles which have emerged. There are people who have heard the full transcript. There are international regulators who have seen it, and they've come out with their opinion. As a journalist, I am not willing to accept it or accept it.
But Vishnu, the
but you
limited
had-
sources I have in the aviation ministry, they seem very reluctant in ensuring that this report comes out.
That's
Why do you
a
think?
big problem.
Why do you think that's
because
the case?
because because it's just something that may be unpalatable to all of us.
Allow me to indulge all of us just a little bit because we work in an industry which is always talking about each other, right? And this year has been the year of NDTV, right?
Yes.
This year has been the year of NDTV.
Without a
Nobody can stop talking about us.
Yes.
You know, some Nepal Prime Minister quit and somebody tweeted, "Kahan ja raha hai NDTV?"
Shashi Tharoor gets that thing every time he says something.
So, you know, that's a...
Guys, on that note, one jalebi to NDTV. Yeah, somebody have
No,
jalebi.
Shiva's
Everyone had jalebi.
building himself up for something profound.
No. This is the...
It's just like we are great. We are great with jalebi.
No, saying that NDTV...
The camera person has moved away from him yet.
Guys, saying NDTV is great is not going to go out of style because this has been a very special year. It's been a turbulent year, you know, in terms of news. But it's also been an incredible year for all of us. This is like a you know, there's some new people. There's all of you amazing people here.
Come on, Gargi.
And we've had okay, everyone has to have a snack in their hand for the last round of questions.
The last round of questions.
As you were saying that,
By
and
the way,
Padmaja, your point about media, you
have
know,
that.
trial by media. Let's
Yeah,
not forget,
you have to hold it.
NDTV was the channel that took up the Jessica Lal case in a big way. Vishnu and I were right here.
We spoke about that.
You know, spoke about all.
Did any other
we
channel
showed
exist
all
then?
the outrage. We showed everything.
Worry, we dominated.
I'm kidding.
and that really showed the power of the media because you know, at that time again it was a technicality. He was let off. It was, you know, and
This is
then
like-
because of the outrage, they re-looked at it. There was a lot of, you know, what went down. Of course, Manu Sharma is no longer in jail, but he served his term at
No,
least,
there's no
and that
doubt
was
about
a big.
it. There's no doubt. Just
So
like when
hence,
Vishnu
therefore,
said...
that's where media also makes a difference, and you know, getting the public
Again,
outrage
unpopular view. There are a lot of people
But
who
let's
are
not-
uncomfortable with that as well. Wondering.
No, sure.
So
and
I'll
we
tell
have
you-
to be responsible.
I'll tell you
NDTV,
why.
I hope, will continue to
No,
be
so I'll
as
tell you why.
responsible as
Gargi,
we
not
have been
everyone
on
has
these
access
issues.
to NDTV or media in general.
Yeah.
So there is
that's
also
true.
a perception that if you are a family living in South Delhi, you will have these campaigns for justice. If you are a child living in Bhangal, nobody will care. And that is what principally is the
The
problem.
Vasant
with-
Vihar campaigns, as someone...
Yeah, you know, either, I mean, it's a...
This gets into an entire argument
It does.
about
It does. So
about
I'm saying
who is our viewer.
principally- Yeah, principally.
Right. If our viewer is Vasant
you
Vihar,
are-
then we've done well for ourselves, no?
Exactly. So then, is this about a call for justice or is this selective, you know, campaigns run by the media for people like us and people who are our friends? I'm just saying this is a feeling
No,
out there.
and we must also ensure that
Everyone
that isn't
must
the
also
case.
look within
Because
on
I
that
remember we
question.
had, you know, this crimes against women, and we picked up various cases across the country of
I don't
from
think
villages, etc.
NDTV will
So
never
we must
be
be
in any
responsible.
danger of you know, going off the rails when it comes to credibility and trust, which is a legacy of this place. And I think we had our trial by fire with Operation Sindoor.
Yes.
People
Yes, absolutely.
went off the rails. Credible channels went
Yeah.
off the rails, saying our tanks
And
are rolled
damage
into
the
Karachi.
Indian media
Yes.
wholly.
When NDTV was like a lone beacon.
Yes.
Let's
Yes.
never forget that we've been through an incredible trial by fire.
Yes.
When everyone else was just completely lost the plot. Okay, now I'm gonna hold you guys back in because you're like wild horses. 2026. What are you looking forward to most? Don't say election and this and the other. What is the thing that you're looking forward to the most? One thing.
Aviation safety. It impacts millions of people. We've had a traumatic 2025. This
Is it
a
gonna get
huge
worse
part
or
of our
better?
economy. It has to be fixed, otherwise we're in trouble.
No,
I
but
think-
is it true that that every time you fly, it's like a Russian roulette?
No,
Don't
it's
say
not
that.
that bad.
Not
But
on
we want to
television.
ensure that the systems which are supposed to ensure that it doesn't become a Russian roulette
Yeah.
are strong enough to ensure that it doesn't become one.
Gargi?
Okay, for 15 years, I've been covering air pollution crisis in Delhi every year, and I really hope one year we don't have to cover it. It doesn't become the crisis it does year after year after year, and we continue that focus and ensure that something is done.
So next
Steps
year
are
there won't
taken.
be this jaundice yellow air.
We
like this
hope
time,
so.
Hopefully.
Inshallah.
Gauri?
I'm still thinking because, you know, I was just...
Okay, Padmaja.
I'm looking forward to a lot of
India-US
political
relations
churn,
getting,
But he
that
said
leading
not
up to
relations, not
2029.
elections,
I
why?
think the two principal parties, BJP and Congress, are going to see a lot of churn happening who is the next emerging leader. There will be changes done. You've got a new
Kite
BJP
flying on
president.
Priyanka Gandhi is also we
Kite
forgot to
flying on
talk about.
Priyanka Gandhi. Local leaders.
But
What is their relationship? I won't say local leaders. I would say regional leaders. State chieftains. How they are going to redefine their relationship with both the BJP and the Congress. I think there's going to be some massive. Interestingly, by the way, over the weekend there was a meeting of Brahmin leaders in Uttar Pradesh. They have been show caused by the BJP president in UP, saying that we don't appreciate this kind of behavior, and this has been happening for a while. So first Thakurs met, then you had a few
Thakurs.
OBC
Something
MLAs
like this
who
will
had
never
met.
happen in the south of India.
Our state is going into
Cheers to that.
Of course, the south of India is completely bereft of any kind of caste politics. There are no caste parties at all in South India.
No caste
They are all
division, no caste
egalitarians. They are all
No
working for
Brahminical
ideology
hegemony.
and nationalism.
Okay, ask me, what am I looking forward to? 2026 Vijay and Trump's unpredictable tweets. And on a serious note, I've been very upset with the kind of stampedes that have been taking place. I want our public spaces to be really safe. This RCB and Kumbh and Delhi
Well said, well
station.
audible.
That is one thing that needs to stop. We have to really value people's lives.
I think for me, one thing I think we sort of diverged from, I couldn't sort of cover, which was that whole sentiment that has come up is this, Macaulay Putra, that has come up, and the larger sentiment about have we reached a point that we can truly get over the colonial hangover? How long will it take us for us to embrace our spiritual...
Colonial hangover?
Yes.
Let's restart.
Yeah.
Macaulay
This
Putra.
is excellent. What is a colonial?
Macaulay Putra, yes.
Why are we so hung up about Macaulay? You said what you had to say.
Done. I don't
It's
know. It's a non-issue.
No,
I
no,
just
it
feel-
isn't. That's the point. When you say that,
So I'm
you
getting a
sort of...
full-time Macaulay.
I didn't say that. I didn't say that.
Vishnu is suddenly taking off his tie.
I think this plays on
quietly in the
insecurities
corner.
unnecessarily.
No.
It plays on insecurities unnecessarily.
It's not
and
about
let's get,
insecurity.
I mean, let's
It's
look
not about
forward and not.
insecurity.
No, but
So everyone's
Ravi-
moving forward.
I for a moment thought Vishnu almost had the Union Jack on his tie somewhere.
The Indian Navy tie. The Indian Navy came very close to hammer
Navy
Karachi.
also changed its insignia.
Yeah, see?
Yeah.
No, but this is a nice note to end on, guys, because the year is over. There's nothing left to discuss now. Whatever has to
Yes.
be on the table will be next year, which is such a lovely feeling because it gives us a sense of renewal. But I'm not going to see any of you guys for a few weeks, I think, after this because the BMC election starts
Yes.
immediately. All of us are going to be, Padmaja is going to be in Mumbai, you're going to be somewhere else. So we are going to try and make this a weekly affair. I know we've been a little irregular because we simply are unable to collect in one place.
You shouldn't have announced that I'm going to be in Mumbai. I think some MNS people are still looking for me there after a video about Hindi versus Marathi.
Pitoge.
Hello MNS.
You and there are wanted signs with you and me over there.
I think that nahi bhi batoge to bhi pitoge poster will have a little picture in
You
the
don't need
corner.
to flag it with the red.
Hi, guys.
This thing.
I'm getting those t-shirts printed for both of us. Okay, so we're going to end on that note. Thanks so much for watching Chai Stop. We wish you a fabulous end of the year and a festive season and a holiday season. Wishing you prosperity, good health, good food, no mediocre food. All of this is really good. And
Chai
thank
and
you so much.
samosas.
Yes.
Keep watching NDTV.
And our podcast.